or welcome back to the day 5 of Pujo Glow Up series. I hope you are liking the series so far. In this video, I will be sharing with you all products that I feel like you should definitely try out during this festive season. And the best part is all of these products are under 500 rupees. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first and the foremost product that I have for you is very important, and every single person needs this no matter what, if you wear makeup or not, and that is sunscreen. So I have tried like a lot of sunscreen, but you know what, I did not like most of them. Was getting like a lot of breakouts on my face after using those sunscreens, but इसको लगाने के बाद मुझे कोई वैसा कोई breakouts नहीं हुआ है. It does not clog up the pores, and I would say it is a little bit greasy, but you can just dust off some powder on your face and you'll be just good to go. But this sunscreen I feel like, और बाकी सब जितने सनस्क्रीन मैंने यूज़ किए हैं ना, कुछ टाइम के बाद लगता है कि जैसे वो बिल्कुल फेस से चला ही गया है. बट दिस वन लिटरली फील्स लाइक यू हैव समथिंग ऑन योर फेस एंड you have that shield on your face that's gonna protect your skin from the harsh UV rays. So I'm gonna definitely recommend this sunscreen to you guys. And also this sunscreen doubles up as a primer as well. So if you want to skip primer and just go for one product, then I think you should definitely check out this sunscreen. This is from La Shield. It's their matte sunscreen gel. I'll leave all the product links in the description box, so please make sure to check it out. Moving on to the next product, and this product is something जो आपने मुझे बहुत बार यूज़ करते हुए देखा है, and that is the Sagar Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer, and it's in the shade 01 or 02. This is just beautiful. It has like a little bit of golden reflects to it. However, the glitter particles are not chunky at all, so it looks beautiful on the skin. You can even wear this on daylight as well and call it a day because it does not look chunky, and इसके ऊपर मेकअप भी बहुत अच्छा सेट होता है. मैंने इसको फाउंडेशन के ऊपर भी लगा के देखा है, एंड इट ऑल्सो डबल्स अप लाइक like a liquid highlighter, so it gives a very dewy glow from within kind of a look. So if that's the look you are going for, you can definitely try out this one. So moving on to the next product, and that is this one from Lakmé. It's their 925 primer plus matte perfect foundation. I am in the shade W320 warm caramel. However, this shade is a tad bit darker for me, but this can be a perfect match for me during the summer months. So yeah, I'm pretty fine with the shade, to be honest. इसका first of all packaging, I don't like the packaging because it comes in this kind of a spatula which is not that convenient. I wish that it had like a pump to it, but anyways, the formula is really good, and it says over here that you can skip primer because the foundation has some primer properties to it, so you can skip primer on underneath this foundation. Now if you tell me to describe this foundation in just one word, I would say that this foundation has a very skin like finish. Like मैंने अभी भी इसको wear किया हुआ है, and I have been wearing this foundation, I would say, for almost like 3 to 4 hours because इससे पहले भी I was shooting few videos for you guys. But anyways, I have 2 layers of this foundation, and it did not cake up on my face. It did not like crease a lot, so I would definitely recommend this for you guys. And I would say this foundation has like a medium to buildable coverage. You can go on with a second layer of foundation and still your skin is not going to feel or look like super cakey, and this is perfect if you have dry skin as well. So yeah, you can definitely check out this foundation because it's matte, but itna bhi matte nahi hai that pura skin dry दिखने लगे, if you know what I mean, right? And it has like 16 shades to it, which is, to be honest, pretty good for Lakmé because Lakmé पहले तो 2-3 shades ही निकालते थे, but 2-3 shades से 16 shade में jump करना is a pretty good and high jump, to be honest. So yes. Alright, so moving on to a product that you have seen me use like a million times, and that is this one from Swiss Beauty. It's the liquid concealer, and it's in the shade 02 Sand Sable. Now I love this concealer because पहली बात, इसका प्राइस बहुत ज़्यादा हाई नहीं है, एंड दूसरी बात, यू गेट लाइक प्रिटी गुड शेड रेंज, लाइक 6 to 7 शेड्स आपको मिल जाएंगे, एंड द कवरेज इज़ प्रिटी गुड. यू कैन लाइक वेयर इट एज शेयर कवरेज इफ़ यू वांट. थोड़ा सा लगा के उसको ब्लेंड कर दो तो थोड़ा सा टिंट आपको दे देगा, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो बिल्ड दिस कंसीलर अप टू अ प्रिटी गुड, आई वुड से मीडियम टू फुल कवरेज. एंड इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीसिंग नहीं होता है. लाइक इन द एले गर्ल प्रो कंसील मैं जो लगाती हूँ उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीसिंग होता है, सो यू नीड टू सेट दैट कंसीलर रियली वेल, बट इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीसिंग नहीं होता है, एंड इट ऑल्सो डज नॉट क्लिंग ऑन टू द ड्राई पैचेस एज वेल. सो आई वुड से ऑयली स्किन हो या ड्राई स्किन, you can definitely check out this concealer. Moving on to another product that you see me every single time I film a makeup look, and that is this sponge. This one is from Colorbar, and इसका नाम मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है, but the sponge is really good. It's pretty squishy and it does not absorb like a lot of makeup products, so you don't end up wasting a lot of makeup products using a sponge, because इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा soakage नहीं होता है. I have been using this one for a really long time. अभी तक फटा वटा कुछ नहीं है, so you can definitely check out this sponge. और इसमें ना हमेशा सेल रहता है. लाइक इसका MRP 199 है, but you can always get this one for 140 to 160 bucks, so definitely check out this sponge. Okay, now moving on to the eyes category. Now if you're someone who does not like to go for those huge eyeshadow palettes like जिसमें 12-13 shades रहते हैं, and you just want a pretty good palette that you can use every single time wherever you go, then I think this palette is just perfect for you. This one is from Elf Cosmetics and it's in the shade Pumpkin Pie. Now इसमें बस आपको 4 शेड्स मिल जाएंगे. You get a warm tone brown shade and a cool tone brown shade and 2 shimmer shades over here. And ये वाला पैलेट बहुत ही वर्सेटाइल है. अगर आप चाहो तो आप कोई भी एक आई शेडो को लेके अपने पूरे आईलिड्स पे लगा के just apply a eyeliner, mascara, and you'll be just good to go. And if you want, you can also go on with a glam look with this palette. Like इसमें बस 4 ही shades है, but I can see like a lot of eyeshadow looks that you can create with this tiny little palette. So you can definitely check out this palette. Now if you're someone who does not like to go with a lot of eyeshadows but also ये आपके लिए काफ़ी नहीं है, then I think this palette is just perfect for you. This one is from Swiss Beauty and it's in the 06 नंबर, एंड इसमें इतने अच्छे प्यारे प्यारे शेड्स है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ आप इस पैलेट को आई शेडो पैलेट की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड द पिंक शेड्स एंड द पीच शेड्स दैट यू हैव, यू कैन यूज़ दोज शेड्स लाइक अ ब्लश. एंड यहाँ पे एक आपको वार्म ब्राउन शेड भी मिल जाएगा जिसको कि आप एक ब्रॉन्ज़र की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो इट्स अ प्रिटी वर्सेटाइल एंड अ मल्टी यूज पैलेट. एंड I use this shade for my brows. I sometimes use this for a bronzer, and I always play along with these 4 shades and use it as a blush. So this one is a pretty, you know, like a affordable and also a pretty versatile palette. So you can definitely check out this palette, and इसके shades बहुत buttery है. These are very pigmented as well. Also the Elf one is also very buttery. It's very pigmented as well. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna quickly show you few swatches of these 2 eyeshadow palettes so that you can get an idea. So firstly I'm gonna just swatch the shades from the Elf palette. So buttery, very blendable, and the shimmer shades are pretty good, to be honest. Now I'm gonna swatch few shades from this palette as well. So I'm going in with this dark brown shade, with this pink shade, with this peach shade from here, and this shade from here, and maybe this shade. Can you see? These are pretty pigmented. I would say that the peach shade थोड़ा सा chalky है, but you can definitely play along with the shades. So I'll just show you the swatches. Can you see? It's pretty pigmented. However, I would say that Elf वाला जो आई शेडो पैलेट है वो वाला थोड़ा ज़्यादा बटरी है. लाइक 19-20 का फ़र्क है. सो यू कैन जस्ट पिक एंड चूज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू योर लाइकिंग. ओके, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द लास्ट आई शेडो recommendation that I have for you is everyone's favorite, but still I want to just remind you that you should definitely pick up few other shades from this range, and that is this liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. कहाँ पे swatch करूँ? यहाँ पे swatch कर रही हूँ. Now these has like beautiful chunky glitters to it. Now if you're someone who loves wearing glitters and loves having like a very glittery eyeshadow going on, then I think this one is just perfect for you. It has like a rose gold color with silver reflects to it, which looks beautiful, to be honest. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it, but अगर आप चाहो ना तो बस ये वाला आई शेडो अपने पूरे लिड्स पे लगा के थोड़ा सा काजल लगा लो, एंड ट्रस्ट मी यू विल बी जस्ट पार्टी रेडी, एंड इट्स जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर दोज गरबा नाइट्स. सो येस, यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक आउट दिस वन. This one is in the shade 05 Rose Gold Retro. This is the shade that I have with me, and I am definitely planning to get few other shades from this range. Okay, now moving on to mascara. For mascara, I have two options for you guys, and both of them are from the house of Maybelline, and I'm talking about the Lash Sensational and the OG good old Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. Now this mascara is just perfect if you want a lot of length to your eyelashes, and this one is just perfect if you want a lot of volume with a little bit of length as well. So you can just go on with any of these two. इसका प्राइस 500 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, बट अभी हर तरफ आपको सेल्स मिलेंगे, so you can definitely just get your hands on this one. With this mascara you can easily go with 2 to 3 coats of mascara and still your eyelashes are not going to clump up. However, इसके साथ अगर आप 2 कोट से ज़्यादा मस्कारा लगाने चले जाओ तो आपके eyelashes थोड़े से clump up हो सकते हैं, but however I do know some people who like the look of clumpy eyelashes, so if that's the look you're going for, you can definitely check out this mascara. I quickly want to mention a lip balm that I am in love with, and if you have been watching my videos for a really long time, then I think you know which product I am going to be sharing with you all, and that is this one from Plum Candy Melts lip balm. I am in love with this. Can you see the amount of lip balm I have used? Like इसमें अंदर में पूरा डेंट पड़ गया है, इतना मैंने इसको यूज़ किया है, and the formula is very balmy. Now I have used a lot of lip balms, but I have felt that एक बार लिप बाम को लगाने के बाद 2-3 घंटे के बाद फिर से लगता है कि और लिप बाम लगाओ, एंड देन दिस साइकिल जस्ट गोज़ ऑन एंड ऑन. बट विद दिस वन ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है. लाइक अगर मैं इसको एक बार सुबह में लगा लूँ ना, पूरा दिन चला जाएगा, फिर भी आई वोंट फील द नीड टू अप्लाई दिस लाइक री अप्लाई दिस लिप बाम, बिकॉज ये आपके लिप्स को बिल्कुल हील कर देता है, एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल एंड इट स्टेज ऑन द लिप्स फॉर आई वुड से easily around 4 to 5 hours. And also I think this one is a little bit pricey for a lip balm, but इसमें quantity भी आपको बहुत मिल रहा है, तो ये आपको बहुत दिन last भी करेगा. Alright, so we are almost done with the recommendation. I just have 2 makeup removers to share with you all. So I'm gonna quickly just show you those, and we're gonna just end this video right here. So one is I have this one. This is the Garnier. This is the Garnier micellar water. It's their oil infused one. मैंने इसका पिंक वाला यूज़ नहीं किया है, so I cannot tell that वो वाला waterproof mascara remove करता है या नहीं. But this removes pretty well waterproof mascara. इसको आपको shake करके लगाना होता है because you have like a oil layer over here and then you have the micellar water over here. So as you can see अभी भी ये separate हो जा रहा है. So yeah, इसको बहुत इससे आपको आपका मेकअप बहुत अच्छी तरह से रिमूव हो जाता है. However, if you don't like using those cotton pads, then you can go on with a cleansing balm, and for that I have the Plum illuminance cleansing balm. This one is the mini version. ये वाला बहुत अच्छी तरह से इमल्सीफाई होता है, एंड इट जस्ट मेल्ट्स डाउन ऑल ऑफ द मेकअप दैट यू हैव ऑन योर फेस. इससे वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा बहुत अच्छी तरह से रिमूव हो जाता है. इससे मैट लिपस्टिक्स भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से रिमूव हो जाता है, एंड दिस इज़ सो ईजी टू यूज़. आपको इसको जस्ट थोड़ा सा हाथ में लेके ऐसे रब करके मसाज कर लो, फिर वो रिमूव जब हो जाएगा जस्ट वॉश इट ऑफ विथ सम वाटर एंड जस्ट फॉलो इट अप विथ some face wash, and you'll be just good to go. So yes, you can just pick and choose according to your liking. Alright, so with that we have come to an end of the video. I hope you liked the video and these recommendations helped you in some way, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.